coming from the United States, coming to Dr. Caymaz. Has a great staff, very helpful, and the procedure went smooth. I advise anybody, come check him out and get it done.
So, during your researches on coming to Turkey to do a hair transplant, why did you choose us among other places?
I seen some good results on YouTube. And yeah, it was similar hair types to me. So you know,
Afro hair.
Afro hair. So that's what made me choose Dr. Caymaz.
Comfortable, man. Relax yourself, okay?
Yeah.
What do you say to people who are afraid to get a hair transplant because of pain or scars? What do you think about that at this moment?
I would say don't be afraid to do it. Just get it done. You know, it's not that bad. It's really, it's a long day. Long day. But once you get it done, you know, you got it out the way and, you know, go on with your life.
You go with your life normally.
Yeah.
So what's your expectations for the implanted area and the donor area?
I expect growth. You know, I hope. I mean, went about everything right. The team was good. You know, I expect, you know, my hair to grow.